Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this will be a quick video just showing you how you can transform regular acrylic yarn into fur yarn. And for that, all you need is a cat slicker brush. Obviously, you can buy fur yarn, but it's not always beginner friendly. Sometimes it's really hard to see the stitches. In some cases, the fur yarn makes it make your stitches completely invisible. And it's also usually a lot thicker weight of yarn, which might not be ideal for every project. And also you may just not have that yarn or the color available, but you have it in regular acrylic yarn. So I'll be showing you how to transform your acrylic yarn into fur yarn. So as I said, all you need for this project is a cat slicker brush or any animal brush that has metal teeth, acrylic yarn, and a little bit of patience. So say you've created this piece and you want to transform it into fur. So with your finished piece, all you have to do is take your brush and brush it. So I like to do quick little strokes in every direction. The more you brush, the more fur and texture will appear. So you need a little bit of patience, a little bit of arm strength, and brush, brush, and brush some more until you get the texture that you want. At first it might not look like much, but keep going. You'll see that the fibers will start to change. The more you brush, the more you will see that transformation. So your stitches, your tight stitches will be transformed into a completely different texture. So this works because acrylic yarn is made of synthetic fibers that can be separated. And when you brush it out gently with a cat slicker brush, you're loosening and pulling apart those fibers, which creates kind of this fur effect. So the key is light pressure, short stroke, and building up slowly and repeating over and over the process. So for this example, for this tutorial, I'm showing you on a Yeti mug that I created. So I created the fur of the Yeti using this technique. You can also use it to create animal ears, tails. Animals works great in general. Beards as well is really cool, or hair. Trims on hats, anything that you want a fluffy texture. I've also used this technique several times at Christmas time for Grinch ornaments, and this technique is absolutely perfect to create the Grinch fur. If you want to see some example of that, I think I have some on my Instagram. So there you have it, just a quick video showing you this technique that can transform your yarn and your crochet project. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and it really helps my channel. And let me know in the comment what project you'd use this fur technique on. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you try it, tag me as well so I can see all your fluffy creations. I'd love to see you on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorial and seasonal projects, as well as everything that I'm doing with crochet. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.